This is the ASUS Top Gaming A15 laptop. Smooth yung performance dahil naka Ryzen 7 processor with RTX 4060 GPU, kaya okay for video rendering, content creation, and multitasking. For storage, 512GB SSD and 16GB DDR5 memory na pwede mong i-upgrade dahil may available slot. Sa display, 15.6-inch Full HD IPS level panel, kaya accurate yung color in different position. It also anti-glare display, so less reflection. Decent din yung color quality, good enough for photo and video editing. Plus 144Hz refresh rate, so perfect for fast-paced games. With G-Sync compatibility to reduce tearing and stuttering. About naman sa design, mas smaller than 2021 version. And may available na two options which are Mecha Gray and Jaeger Gray. May embossed logo sa center din yung pinili ko. And speaking of lid, hindi siya wobbly kapag i-open or close mo. And even intense typing, hindi naalog yung screen. Matibay din yung keyboard and decent naman gamitin. For thermal, may 4 exhaust vents, up to 5 heat pipes, and arc flow fans to prevent overheating. Tested din to sa drop, shake, heat, cold, and humidity, kaya pang matagalan. Sa weight, mabigat talaga siya since gaming laptop. And for the ports, ito yung available. In terms of camera, 720 HD, good enough for Zoom meetings and video calls. Plus, Dolby Atmos supported kaya maganda yung quality ng speakers. For OS, Windows 11 Home, so latest yung UI and enhance yung performance. With 90Wh battery, kaya matagal malobat, lalo na kung for web browsing lang. And kung gagamitin man for gaming, I suggest na i-charge mo siya while playing to unlock full performance. Make sure lang na well ventilated.